Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to FASTCABLING, where we break down the latest and greatest in technology to make it easy for you to understand and implement. Today in this video, we're excited to introduce you to our product that is perfect for industrial networking. The industrial isolated RS-232 or RS-485 to 4-port RS-485 hub. Now, in industrial setting, reliable and robust communication network are essential. Whether it's for remote monitoring, automation, or manufacturing, having the right equipment can make all the difference in maintaining efficiency and safety. So today we're focusing on a key piece of equipment, the isolated RS-232 or 485 hub. But before we dive into the specifics, let's get a basic understanding of RS-232 and RS-485 communication protocol. Now, RS-232 and 485 are both serial communication protocol used in industrial environment. RS-232 is typically used for short-distance communication, often in a point-to-point connection, and is known for its simplicity and ease of use. And RS-485, on the other hand, support longer distances and multiple devices on the same bus, making it ideal for a more complex and expensive network. It uses differential signaling, which provides better noise immunity and higher data integrity. In industrial setting, RS-485 is commonly used in automation system, building management, and transportation networks, and RS-232 is often found in a simpler setup like point-of-sale system and certain types of control equipment. And now you might be wondering, why use an isolated hub? Now, in industrial environment, electrical noise and interference can significantly impact signal quality. An isolated hub can help mitigate these issues by providing electrical isolation between different sections of your network. And this isolation prevents electrical noise from disrupting communication, enhances signal integrity, and protects your equipment from surges and spikes. So let's take a closer look at our industrial isolated RS-232 or 485 to 4-port RS-485 hub. Now, this compact device features robust build quality designed to withstand harsh industrial environment. It comes with a 10-pin terminal block for both RS-232 and 485 connection, supporting asynchronous half-duplex communication. And the hub can divide one RS-232 or 485 bus into 4 RS-485 channels, and each with enhanced surge protection, ensuring the signal stability and integrity. It supports RS-485 bus connection. The users can easily change the structure of RS-485 bus and divide the network segment. The failure of any individual loop won't affect other loops, so making it a more robust and reliable system. It also fits harsh industrial environment because it's equipped with an IP30 rugged metal case and offers a wide operating temperature range of -40 degrees up to 85 degrees. So this specs highlights the hub's robustness and suitability for demanding environments. And this hub isn't just about basic connectivity. It boasts advanced features like automatic data direction control and fail-safe mechanism. In an RS-485 network, data transmission can be tricky because it supports both sending and receiving data on the same line. Properly managing the direction of data flow is crucial to prevent data collision and ensure smooth communication. So automatic data direction control simplifies this process by automatically managing the switching between transmit and receive modes. This means the hub can intelligently determine when to send data and when to listen for incoming signal without needing manual intervention. And fail-safe mechanisms are designed to protect your network from disruption caused by power failures, signal loss, or other unexpected issues. For example, If a device or connection fails, the hub can automatically detect the issue and reconfigure the network to bypass the problem, ensuring minimal disruption. So the fail-safe mechanism also includes the protection against electrical surges and noise, which are common in industrial settings. So this feature is particularly beneficial in multi-device environment where multiple devices need to communicate seamlessly. So all these advanced features ensure data is transmitted reliably and the system can recover from errors. And with future-proofing and scalability options, this hub can grow with your network, making it a versatile choice for a long-term investment. So where can you use this hub? Here are a few real-world scenarios. In industrial automation, you can enhance communication between PLCs and control systems, and manufacturing and production lines to ensure reliable data transfer across multiple devices. Transportation and logistics can maintain stable communication in a complex environment. And also, remote monitoring and control system to extend your network's reach without compromising signal integrity. And there you have it. The industrial isolated RS-232 and RS-485 to 4-port RS-485 hub is a powerful tool for enhancing your industrial network's reliability and performance. Now, if you have any questions or need more information about our products, you can leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights and product reviews. So thank you very much for watching Fast Cabling, and I'll see you in the next video.